BCAP 26, just repairs and hobbies, and we've got the Cuisinart mixer here, and we're gonna do heavy cream and make butter with a quarter teaspoon, 7 of those, and sea salt. I'm gonna put in the mixer. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. We're making butter. See how it's getting frothy? It's getting there. I'll have it on 7 and see how it's getting ribbons in it. It's getting to go to butter now. Oh, now we have a nice whipped butter with 7 light quarter teaspoons of salt. I'm going to put it in the container. Here's what it looks like in the container. I'm going to freeze it.